We are broadcasting live here at the Piggly Wiggly in Evansville. It is Swig for Swag with Miller Lite, our first one of the season. Paul Michaels hanging out here until 1 o'clock with free samples of the Liney's berry flavors. We've got your variety pack here: orange shandy, summer shandy, and berry shandy. Stop by, sample one, sample them all. I've had them numerous times. They're very good. Big fan of that new orange shandy. And also, when you hit up the display case, you can sign up to win a 4-pack of tickets to see the Brewers play, 10th row seats behind home plate, and we're going to throw in some free cases of Miller Lite as well. Going on here at Piggly Wiggly today, a great cause. We are raising money for the Badger Honor Flight crew, and they are trying to send our World War II and Korean vets to Washington. So make sure you stop by and donate what you can. And every 30-pack of Miller High Life and High Life Light you buy, $2 is going to go to the cause. And also 24 packs of MGD and Miller 64 and Miller Lite, $2 from that will go to the charity as well. It's Piggly Wiggly in Evansville, Swig for Swag. We're here until 1 o'clock. Paul Michaels broadcasting live with Miller Lite and 105.9 The Hog.